Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's just first open the Gmail application. And after that, tap on the right upper corner. Here you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail application, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So just to do that, click to manage accounts on this device and click to the Google section. Now just select one from this account, so I'll go with this one for example. Just click on the right upper corner and tap to remove account. After that, confirm your action to click to remove account again. And now in Google account settings, we can see that we stay only with one Gmail app account. So let's just go back into the application. And now here also in the app we can see that we stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.